Please prepare the film and application tools shown above. Align the phone's camera with the hole on the mat. Clean the phone screen with the cleanser and cloth. Peel off the outer frame from the top left corner of the film. Cut out the small rectangular pieces from the outer frame of the film. As shown in the video, curl the bottom layer downward to remove the film. Attach the two small rectangular pieces onto the bottom film of the film product.
For proficient operators, divide the frame's release liner into two parts without cutting, then attach directly to the bottom of the film.
Hold the four corners of the film for alignment. If repositioning is needed, grip the small rectangular pieces from both ends and lift the film product. Slide the squeegee over the film to remove dust with its adhesive side. Lift one side slightly and push evenly with the squeegee, following a curved motion at corners. Lift the other side and apply the film in the same way. Use the cleaning cloth to smooth the edges as shown in the video. Note, when wiping the screen, gently move from the inside outward to avoid damaging the film. Peel off the top protective layer. Application complete.